How to fix reCAPTCHA on Google Chrome. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your invalid CAPTCHA or connection to reCAPTCHA server failed and so many such errors on your CAPTCHA on Google Chrome. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if you're facing such kind of error on your Google Chrome, what you might want to do is first open up your Google. After you open up your Google, tap on the three dots on the bottom right corner. Then there you'll find history. Tap on history. And on history, you can simply delete your browsing history. Tap on delete browsing history and delete your history. After that, you can then head over to your settings. Tap on the three dots again and then tap on settings. On your settings, what you will see is you will find an option called your cache. Now if you find the cache option, simply tap on cache and clear out your cache as well. I don't have the option, so the only way I can do this here on iPhone is opening up your settings, and on your settings you'll need to head over to general. On general, head over to iPhone storage. On iPhone storage, you will need to simply search for Google Chrome. So let's search for Google Chrome here. There we go. And offload the app. Offload your app and reinstall it, and that should clear out the cache on your Google Chrome. Doing that, your problem should get fixed on your reCAPTCHA on Google. So yeah, that's basically all for today's video guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel as well. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.